Everyone. In this video, I'm going to present you my response to a challenge made by Gelorida, which is the developer company behind the Ardor platform. Ardor is a multi-chain blockchain platform working product in mainnet. So the hackathon, as presented in this page, have three challenges. My response is to the third one, the identity verification challenge. Purpose was to test the new feature developed by Ardor, which is the lightweight contracts, meaning simply smart contracts developed in Java language and deployed on Ardor platform. Okay, so the third challenge details are here. The idea was to link your decentralized identity represented by your Ardor account here with your true identities represented by your social media accounts, e-commerce accounts, phone numbers, other accounts that can be Bitcoin, Ethereum accounts, etc. So the response can be found here in this GitHub repository. The contracts are here under the contract folder. You have both the smart contract developed in Java and the tests also developed in Java. Details can be found here, but if you have any questions, just send me a message on Twitter. The other things in this repository is a web application developed using an Angular framework. So it's still in progress in order to make all the small refinements working fine. Okay. The application is deployed here under GitHub pages. So when you click on the application, the website, the first thing you have is this login page that asks you to provide an Ardor account. So we want to link this Ardor account with true identities in the digital world. So okay, when you connect, you get some summary about the account. This is a presentation of the account I deployed on the blockchain. This is the last transaction and also the last balances. And you can see under the verifying the account section, I haven't verified any account yet. So the first thing I will do is to try to verify an account. Okay. In order to do this, we'll need to send a message to the contract deployed by this account. So what I need to do is to take my passphrase and then put it here. It's just a demo account, so I don't really bother if you take it. Okay, I will request the contract to provide me with a challenge. What happens behind the scene is that I'm sending a message to the contract, and the contract will verify that the message is correctly setted, and if yes, he will provide me with a challenge and also a token which represents the contract signature to the challenge. Okay, so I'm just waiting here for the contract to reply. Transaction time in the block time in the Ardor testnet is about 10 seconds. So I need to wait a little bit in order to get the response. So I get it here. As you can see, Now, all I need to do is to sign the token provided by the contract. So this one, okay, I will sign it with my passphrase. and then I get this signed token. So what I need to do now is to take this signed token and go into my social account, I mean Twitter here, and I will publish this token. Okay, I'm just publishing it here in a tweet. Okay, I will say signed token for demo video. Okay, up, and I will tweet this. Now I will take the public URL here representing the tweet, and I will go back to my application. If I go to next, then the application will ask me to provide the public URL where I published the signed token. I provide the URL here, and I push the button send to contract for verification. So what happens here is that my application is sending a payment transaction to the contract with one Ignis fee. Ignis is the child chain where the contract is deployed, and I will wait for the contract to reply with both a message saying that everything went fine, and also the contract will set a property to my account. If you are not familiar with Ardor property account, well, Ardor account properties, then please go back, go to Ardor platform and try to learn more about it. Okay, so I'll just wait here and then for the contract to respond. As I said, it takes about 10 seconds to generate a block in the Ardor blockchain, but it can take a little bit more because of the delays. Okay, so as we can see here, everything went fine. The contract responded, and we will see here under the verified account section that my Twitter account has been verified. What I see here is the domain or the root domain of the public URL I provided, and the application figures out if I coordinated. Okay, so if I click here to see publish token, I can see the signed token I provided here under this URL. Perfect. So everything is working fine. Either I have another account to verify, or I can just sign out. Thank you.